Hello, my name is Shannon Gonzalez, CEO of HOTMIXX Asphalt Paving. I am asked several times by potential customers what to ask for when they are hiring a paving contracting business. Some of the tips that I tell customers is, one, you want to make sure that the company has a Class A contractor's license. Two, you want to make sure that they are licensed, bonded, and insured. Three, ask for references. 4, check out the reviews on the website. Again, thank you for checking out this video. We look forward to doing business with you. My name is Shannon Gonzalez, CEO of HOTMIXX Asphalt Paving. Thank you.